So friends, this question is similar to quiz 1 question. So in this question they given a set of vertices from 1 to 6 and set of edges is represented with E, capital E, initial vertex 1 and final vertex 6. And the question is, what are the minimum number of test paths? They are asking to find the test paths required for the node coverage. So node coverage and the edge coverage of the given control flow graph. So what is meant by node coverage? Node coverage means it includes the test path that covers all the nodes. So what are the nodes? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The test path must contains the test path are group of set of test paths. It must be a single or multiple test paths also. It covers all the nodes in the control flow graph 1 to 6 and edges, all the edges given in the edges capital E. Okay, first we draw the control flow graph. So 1 is a node 1, starting node, initial node, that is V0, and 1 to 2 is an edge, and 1 to 3 is also an edge, 1 to 3, and 2 to 3 is also edge, and 3 to 4 is also as an edge, and 3 to 6, so that is 3 to 6, 4 and 6 are level 3 edges, and 4 to 5, so 5 is level 4, and 4 to 6, and 5 to 4 back edge, and 6 is a final vertex, right? So represented with double circles. So this is the control flow graph from the given set of vertices V and edges E. From this, how many test paths? Minimum number of, they are asking how many minimum number of test paths required to cover the node coverage and edge coverage of the given control flow graph. So they are asking separately for the node coverage how many test paths and edge coverage how many test paths. Okay, separately. So we consider a one test path. For example, starting the test path, what is the condition for the test path? Test path must start with V0 and list of nodes and ends with VF, right? List. That is the condition. 1, 2, 3. So 1 to 2, 2 to 3. This is an we cover three nodes 1, 2, 3, and we want to cover 4. Okay, 4 after 5, and again 4 and 4 to 6, right? So this is one test path. So test path 1, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4 and 6. So this test path starts with V0 and ends with VF. It covers all the nodes. That is, for node coverage, one test path is enough. So one test path is for the node coverage, option B and option A, not C and D. So you can select only one option from A and B only, because one test path for the node coverage. And for the edge coverage, so this test path covers how many edges? Direct we check with this edges list. Okay, 1 to 2 there is an edge. This is the test path, blue color one. 1 to 2 is covered, and 2 to 3 is also covered. 2 to 3, and 3 to 4 is covered. 3 to 4, and 4 to 5 is covered. 4 to 5, and 4 to 6 is covered. 4 to 6, 5 to 4 is also covered. 5 to 4. Only this one and this one are left, right? 1, 3 and 3, 6. Consider a test path that covers 1, 3 and 3, 6. This is a direct test path, right? If we consider test path 2 starting from V0 1 2 3 and 3 to 6 VF, this is the second one, this is the first one. So it covers all the nodes coverage for the test path 1. For node coverage only one test path, that this is test path is required. For the edge coverage test path 2, that is 1 3 6, the test path must start with V0 and end with VF. Okay, these two for edge coverage, 2 test paths. So in option 1, both node coverage and edge coverage, one test path is wrong. So option B is correct. So answer for this question is B. Friends, thank you for watching. If you like my videos, please like and subscribe my channel.